Hello, Veronica. At 9:20, we are back this morning with author and entrepreneur Christina Daves, who we can always rely on to bring some of the coolest gadgets and gizmos on the market. So she's here today to put 6 new kitchen tools to the test for Try It Tuesday. Welcome back, Christina.
Hello, thank you. All right, we're starting with the neg.
Okay.
So do you like hard-boiled eggs?
Of course.
And what happens when you peel them? They get all...
They
don't
and then
work.
It's all in your sink and it's a mess.
Watch this.
You've been so excited for this one.
I'm so excited because I didn't believe it, and it works. You can do it. Just shake.
Okay, so what is in here? Just water?
It's just water. Just give it a little harder.
Okay.
You gotta go. Here.
I don't want to break it.
No, you won't.
Oh, because it's
already cooked.
Already cooked. Okay.
Watch this.
Oh, that's so easy.
It comes right off. Every egg has worked.
Nothing has sticking.
Nothing. Perfect.
Oh my gosh!
Isn't that amazing?
So that's the neg, and that's gonna make hard-boiled eggs.
So if you're doing
so
deviled
much
eggs,
easier.
you just shake them, peel them, cut them, go.
Boom! And that's probably, I mean, you can probably get this, at like the drugstore or something, or at Target, Amazon? All right, that's probably where we're gonna get most of the stuff. All right.
Egg whites, we're all eating healthier now.
Yes.
So I thought this was really fun, like for the kids. This is by Joie.
Okay.
But isn't that so cute?
What is this?
Just a little guy. So like if your kids wanna do it, you just suck the yolk out.
And then you have your egg whites.
Then you have your egg white. Now the next thing you can do, this is from the same company, Joie.
Okay.
It's so cool, right?
It is.
You crack it? Let me crack this. Okay.
Okay.
But you have to be really deliberate to get this in the middle.
Oh, so it's gonna separate and
Separate it right there for you.
The egg white's just gonna pour into the cup.
Yep, how about that?
Ah. Are these 2 separate products?
2 separate products.
Okay.
Yep, same company, 2 products.
All right, neat.
Okay, so this is your producer Kyle's favorite thing. And I was like, oh, okay, let me try it. It's awesome. So look at this. It's a silicone popcorn thing.
Okay, so we're making popcorn.
We're making popcorn. Now we're moving on to snacks. We've done breakfast, now we're going to snacks. So so it folds up to store. You put 1/4 to 1/2 a cup of popcorn in.
Okay.
If you like salt,
Yeah.
throw a little salt on. You just do this. 2 to 4 minutes in the microwave.
And you get freshly popped popcorn. What I love about this also is that it stacks and you can just put it into
A drawer.
A drawer, anything. And it just pops your popcorn like that.
Pops your popcorn.
You could probably do like some seasonings and stuff
You can
on
put
it too?
anything on it. Yeah, isn't that great? So
Oh
totally
my
healthy,
gosh.
super easy, super convenient to store.
And producer Kyle approved.
Yes, recommended.
And what is this one called again?
Oh, it's Chef Rimmer.
Chef Rimmer.
Chef Rimmer, and you can find it again on Amazon.
All right.
So it's almost cherry season. So this is cherry and olive pitter. I love this because sometimes when you go to the grocery store, they're not pitted for you.
Yes.
And then what do? You're trying to cut them. So look how easy this is. You just put it in. Oop, and it goes flying. But there you go.
But this is great. You know, I love to make like Greek salads and things like that. And a lot of times, you know, I'm trying to cut the olives.
And it's so hard with the pit in
it
there.
really is. So can I do this?
Yeah, absolutely. You want to turn it the other way though.
The other, this way.
Because it's going to go.
Okay,
yeah.
and then here.
And just push. Look.
Holy moly! Even I can do it. Amazing.
Isn't that
awesome.
so cool?
So cool, so easy. And I'm having all of them.
So this is the Star Frit Peeler. And the reason I like this, I peel potatoes and it goes everywhere.
Yeah.
Now my mother's German. She goes like this, boom, 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 and stuff. I did not get that gene from my mother. So I thought this was so great. So you basically just attach your potato.
No way, it does it for you.
You don't, no mess, no fuss.
That's what I like the most, is that I don't have to do this.
Right. And like I said, I get the peels everywhere. So we're gonna peel this because we're gonna use this for the next one. So then we just, look at this.
That was awesome.
Okay.
Oh, this looks so pretty too.
Isn't that, now this, if you live in an apartment or a condo, this is all you need. This is by Zalit. It's everything. It slices, it dices, it's got the egg peeler, it's got the juicer, everything. So watch how easy this is. We're just gonna cut the ends off. So we've peeled our potato, and now we wanna make cubed potatoes. I'm backwards doing this here.
But that's okay.
Look at that.
And you have everything cubed, diced, right there. And you have a nice little kind of serving dish or bowl that you can just start, whipping whatever else you're gonna be doing together.
So that's the chopper. I want to show you how easy this comes apart. I say this.
It always happens on television.
Always, always, but when you do it like this, there you go. So you need it in there and it's super easy to do.
Okay, gotcha.
So now we're gonna put...
So it comes with these different attachments.
All the different attachments.
Okay.
So we're gonna pop this out.
Now what are we doing?
We're gonna slice.
Fantastic. So you could do, I mean, you know,
You can
pasta
do
salads, potato
everything.
salads, all of those types of things when you need these.
So I did some julienne, I did some squash in here, but look, you can see all the different things. And then we can take our hard-boiled egg. And this all comes in one box.
And what was this one again?
This is Zalik.
The leek.
Zalik.
Zalik.
Zalik. So all of this comes in one thing under $40.
Unbelievable.
amazing?
Thank you for saving us so
I
much
know.
time and just
yeah.
making things so much easier. Christina Daves, you can find her ChristinaDaves.com
ChristinaDaves.com.
for all of the latest. Thank you so much.